Hi everybody, my name is Ben and today I'll be showing you Scrapyard Empire Solitaire. Now, to play Solitaire, we don't use any of the character cards, so we'll put those aside. We are going to use our dice. We have our parts pile, our small machine pile, and our invention pile. To start, we'll turn over the top card from the parts and small machine piles, and we will be drawing one invention for ourselves, and that's the invention we must try to build first. One of the big rules is if you have duplicates of any part or duplicates of any small machine, one gets scrapped and the other removed from the game. So I have two petrols. One must be scrapped, the other one removed from the game. And now I'm going to look at my the dirigible, which I have to build. Requires a transport vessel, which I have, a weaponry system, which I do not, and a jet propulsion, which I do. Looking at the jet propulsion, I need petrol, propeller, and metal casing. So I have the propeller metal casing, I just need a petrol, so I'm going to try to draw for that. Clockwork movement, light bulbs, duplicate light bulbs, so I scrap one, remove one from the game. I'm going to try to keep drawing. Gearbox, crank. I have duplicate cranks, so scrap and remove. Hull, duplicate. Gearbox, duplicate. Control panel, hull, piston, steel cage. So I still need that petrol. I'm going to draw. Now I've exceeded my maximum hand of 8, so I have to discard one. So let's see, for this one I need, for the transport vessel I do need the hull and the control panel and gearbox. So I'm going to get rid of a clockwork movement. I'm going to draw again, two metal casings, gearbox. Actually, now I can build my transport vessel. So using the hull, control panel, and the gearbox, I'm going to build my transport vessel, and I remove these parts from the game that I used to build it. So now looking back at the jet propulsion system I have to build, I still need that petrol, so I'm going to try to draw for that. Crank duplicate, piston duplicate, propeller duplicate. I'm losing a lot of cards. And I have the petrol now. So now I'm going to try to dig for the parts that I need. So 4, 5, or 6. 4 is good. I'm going to take back that propeller. And now I need my metal casing, so I'm going to try to dig again. I failed. Now since I failed digging for a part, I have to turn the top 2 small machines over. If I were to fail to dig a small machine, I have to turn the top 4 parts over. So I'm going to try to dig again. 4 is good. So petrol, propeller, I need my metal casing. Here it is. And I'm going to use these 3, remove them from the game to build the jet propulsion system. And now all I have left to build is the weaponry system, so I have to try to draw for that. And I drew it. So I have the steel cage and the tripod needed, so all I need is the guns and ammo. So I don't think it is here, so I'm going to try to draw for it. Steel cage duplicate. Another steel cage, great. Petrol, crank, guns and ammo, light bulb, tripod, duplicate, control panel, harness, another harness, discard, remove, piston, control panel, Light bulb, another duplicate. Tripod. Still looking for that guns and ammo. Duplicate crank. I have too many. I have to discard one. I have duplicate petrol. Metal casing duplicate. I want that guns and ammo. Where is it? Duplicate piston. Duplicate control panel. I'm losing a lot of cards. Metal casing. Pendulum. Tripod. Piston. Clockwork movement. Harness. Duplicate. Steel cage duplicate. Pendulum duplicate. Piston duplicate. Still looking for that guns and ammo. Gearbox duplicate. Clockwork movement duplicate. Hull. Propeller duplicate. Gearbox, tripod duplicate, guns and ammo finally. Now I know my other parts are in here. I need my tripod and my steel cage, which I do have, so I'm going to try to dig for that tripod right here. That's a no, so I turn the top two over. I'm going to try to dig again. One, that's no. I'm going to go again. Two, again, note the top two. So I dig again. Finally, I get it. I can use these three parts to now build my weaponry system. Remove these from the game, and now remove these three from the game to build my invention. And now my first one is built. I have three more. I've had a lot of bad luck drawing, so I'm not in good shape. But so now I draw the next invention card, which I must build this one. And I need to build three in order to win. And that's the basics of how you play Solitaire. Thank you.